I'm Wave 16. I'm using Sunbreaker. Wave 60. This is great. I don't like to too much, but this is no cheat or game hack. This is just pure playing of the game and opening Sunbreaker. In rank 30. Now I'm using it. It feels good. Now I've never recording since, but I do not have this. I do not have this wave. It shows it, I played it and reached wave 60. Yeah. Wave 60, you're going to be seeing a lot of challenge like this big guy here, this two big guy here, and all of the other shit. They don't bring new zombies, only this policeman, this Venom, Bomba, and no regular zombie. So that I will see Mighty Giant. Other than Professor. Yeah, I know Professor, but I've not seen Professor on the wave. Maybe there's no Professor on the wave. You know what I mean? This is what it is. It's wave 60. Believe it or leave it. Yeah, wave 61. Yeah. Is Shadow TV? No, it's not Shadow TV. It's just to play. Shadow TV is not my name. I like doing that mistake every time I'm recording. So guys, it's gonna be wave 62. The target zombie. With Sunbreaker. This guy, he can't click. In the wave menu, you see that the 45 stuff, but that's not true. You can see him with 63 right now. I'm still going. But I have no reload boost. A couple of 50% damage, 30% fire rate, and physical. Those boosters, they're good. Anyways, especially on road boost. I would so much love it. And I have bump too, but I've wasted my bump. My blood is remaining 2. Much of 64. Okay? Let's see. I could enter 65 or perhaps 70. I love playing this game. I have passion on this game. That is why I keep on playing till I reach rank 30. I do not hack any cheat or anything like maybe the target redemption code or this rubbish thing you can see in the internet, and they will say that this is the redemption code. Maybe they will show you that they have unlocked some kind of guns and print out, maybe show me some kind of money, that. I've tried that. a lot of time, but no one work. But I just lose up on them. I just say that maybe those guys are playing with my brain, my intelligence. And they be telling me that the game that uses internet and connect to Google Play is using cheats. Maybe they have the hack hidden. They don't want to show me. They just whatever. Because you can see right now I'm 65, and this guy don't want to die right now. Oh, he just died. And this is his colleague. This is a policeman. Yeah, that is what they call him. Police. Police that got eaten by zombie. It changed. It's a very strong one though. It can't be break. It's unbreakable. You know, this is Unbreaker. Unbreaker trying to break his bone and all his system. But it's unbreakable, man. But nobody's unbreakable. It's Soundbreaker. When Soundbreaker meets you, he'll break you like a piece of shit. A piece of shit. As you can see, the Unbreakable just got broken by Soundbreaker. As you can see where it is. I love this. I love this. You know, my last wave, I played wave last time, but I did not record it though. I reached wave 50 and they just killed me. Because I'm not well prepared. But now you can see, and you can see that I am well prepared this time. No kind of trick that they use for me that I want to know. And I stop the trick from happening to me. Yeah. They will bring the gear, bring Bombardier, bring Venom here, bring Police here. All of them cannot penetrate that much. Yeah, I said I'm hoping to reach with 70. It's like I'm smelling it. I'm smelling 70, and I can feel it. You know, phone I'm using recording is a 7-point phone. Not much of a big phone though. What else we do? Yeah, I want to be hearing the sound of the Soundbreaker. This is Wave 69. Guys, not a cheat. Not a cheat. I have to cheat. This is real. So real. I love this. Yes, my dream is cancer black. It's 70. I smell it and then eat it. Just like I just bringing the same, yeah, the same issues, giving them your responses. You're gonna do anything to me. You see someone there, and the rest, let you are pulling up into the place. No, definitely in this week. I think I'm gonna sleep or play on the game because it's almost 2 a.m. in the morning in Nigeria. It's almost 2 a.m. in Nigeria. Oh, maybe I think I'll sleep. Maybe I think I'll play another game. I love playing 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 game. Yeah. This guy has to blood or what? Okay. Oh no. Am I gonna die? I think so, yeah. This is standard. Let me just keep me shifting. Maybe like that. You know, this is Bomba. Bomba is a very bad. It can be. He packs a lot of venom in his back. As if he's carrying 10 pounds hunchback. And once it's just near you, just explode, boom. If this one that carry this bag, this big hunchback, blow in your face, wow, you have a full blood. You just die almost. You just die. Doesn't matter if your blood is full or half. But it's just blue, boom, you just die. You can see I'm shooting him from far range. I don't want him to near me. Just to learn like I can. Yeah. I'm a genius. Oh wow. Oh, these people just deny me of no buying of bullets. No, this Sunbreaker gun. This Sunbreaker gun. I want to buy a bullet. It's 2,000 what? Soundbreaker. This is cool, man. It's a cool guy. I'm feeling sleepy right now. Breaker, you are the best. No. No, my screamer. So, guys, please subscribe to my channel. The voice has to play, and it's not a trick or a hack cheat. I just finished. I've just finished playing with and Wave 74. Okay, as you can see, 48 gold, $212, and 30% fire rate. So bye guys, see you next time on my video. Please subscribe and stay active on my channel to be